bringing the sketch to life, one cut at a time. Precision cutting ensures a perfect fit. Every piece safely stored, ready for crafting. A steady hand, a perfect cut. Every piece finds its place in the masterpiece. Dark hues bring depth to the art. Arranging the pieces before the next step. A delicate touch ensures a seamless connection. Mastery in every detail. Binding each piece with care. Each piece wrapped and ready. Gathering the pieces for the next step. Now, the assembly begins. Assembling the masterpiece, piece by piece. A steady hand, a flawless bond. Every seam, a mark of precision. Refining the connections for strength and beauty. Handcrafted elegance felt with every touch. A light, a legacy, a masterpiece. Every detail carefully measured. Precision is the foundation of craftsmanship. Precision is the key to craftsmanship. Every mark, a step towards creation. Understanding the material is the first step. Aligning for a perfect cut. Power and precision in motion. Every edge carefully examined. Refining every detail. Perfection is in the details. Consistency in every piece. Consistency in every cut. Each piece measured to perfection. Precision in every turn. Strength in every connection. Precision in every coat. Even coverage, perfect results. Securing strength with precision. Guiding power through the structure.